Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. Hope you're doing great. So continuing with the half circle patterns, today I'm gonna show you how to make the simple V-stitch, this time half circle, how to make it and achieve it for any project of your choice. Once you start the half circle, everything gets easy. It's a repetition of 2 rows, and that's, you can make a shawl with it, you can make a blanket with half circle. It's up to you. So if you want to see how to make it, stay for the rest of the video. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 6.5mm crochet hook. You can use from 5mm crochet hook to 6.5 or 7, depending on your project, with medium worsted yarn. So we'll get started. So before I start the tutorial, I have to explain quickly something. Every other row for this half circle is a single V-stitch, means no increase of the number of V-stitches. And to keep the circle flat and straight, you do, after the single V-stitch row, you start with the 2 V-stitches in one chain one space, then you alternate with single V-stitch. I'll show you while working so you understand clearly. Also, the written pattern will be linked in the description box. So I'm gonna make a slip knot, and I'll chain 5. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. So this will be considered as my first V-stitch, the chain 3, and then the chain 1 space and the double crochet inside the 5th chain from the hook. I'm gonna make 2 more V-stitches. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, that's the second V-stitch, and the last one, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and that's the last V-stitch. So the first round is 3 V-stitches to form the half circle. On to the next row, I'm gonna chain 4, and the chain 4 in every row is considered part of the V-stitch. Like chain 3 is a double crochet, chain 1 is the chain 1 space, and a double crochet inside the V-stitch. So this is 1 V-stitch. I'm gonna add another V-stitch in the same space. That's how we increase. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So 2 V-stitches in the same chain 1 space. That's what I'm gonna start with in every other row. So in the next 2 V-stitches, I'm gonna make the same for this round. 2 V-stitches in each chain 1 space. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and again in the same space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Like so. And again in the last V-stitch, the same thing, 2 V-stitches. So this is round 2, how it looks like. So in every chain 1 space is 2 V-stitches. Now the round I was talking about, I'm gonna chain 4, and I'm gonna make one single V-stitch in each previous chain one space. So as we said, this chain 3 is considered as a double crochet, and I'll add a double crochet to make it a V-stitch. Into the next chain one space, one V-stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Into the next one, the same thing, till the end of this round. Single V-stitch in every chain one space. And the last one, which is this one, the one between the double crochet and the chain 3. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And this is how it looks like so far. Now again, we're gonna repeat round 2. Round 2, which is 2 V-stitches in every chain 1 space. So chain 4, one double crochet in the chain 1 space, and another V-stitch in the same chain 1 space. Into the next chain 1 space, 2 V-stitches. The same thing into the next chain 1 space. In every chain 1 space, 2 V-stitches. And the last V-stitch, we're gonna make 2 V-stitches. Chain 1, double crochet, double crochet, okay. So this is how it looks so far. So we've got the first row with 3 V-stitches. Second row is 2 V-stitches in every chain 1 space. Third row is 1 V-stitch in every chain 1 space. Fourth row is 2 V-stitches in every chain 1 space. Now we're gonna start decreasing the number of now we're gonna do another row of single V-stitch before we start the decrease. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, round 5, chain 4, and a single V-stitch in every chain 1 space. So chain 4, double crochet in the chain 1 space, go to the next chain 1 space and make a V-stitch, and repeat the same in every chain 1 space. And here I'm at the end of round 5, so double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, now to the next row I'm gonna chain 4 and again 1 double crochet and another V-stitch, so 2 V-stitches in the first chain 1 space. Now in the next chain 1 space is a single V-stitch. So in this round we'll start decreasing the number of V-stitches in a space. So we're gonna alternate 2 V-stitches in one space and 1 V-stitch in the next space. So here we did 2 V-stitch, 1 V-stitch, in the next space 2 V-stitch again. The same way you do a flat circle. You start decreasing the number of double single crochet, for example, by 1 in every round. In this pattern, in every other round, because the in-between will be single V-stitch round. If you ever get confused, again look at the written pattern, it's detailed and clear. So here 2 V-stitches, 1 V-stitch in the next one, 2 V-stitches in the next one, one V-stitch in the next one. Two V-stitch. So here I'm at the end of the round, so the last stitches are one double V-stitch, means 2 V-stitches, and the last one will be a single V-stitch. This is 2 V-stitches and this is chain 1 space, 1 V-stitch. So now the next round again will be a single V-stitch in every chain 1 space to keep the half circle flat and even, and also to keep it straight, to keep the edge straight like this throughout the work. And the 2 V-stitches in one chain space, the purpose is to expand and make the half circle bigger in every round. So now we'll have the single V-stitches, chain 4, okay, turn, 1 double crochet, then 1 V-stitch in every chain 1 space. I will finish this round and I'll come back to show you what to do on the next round and explain further. So just single V-stitch in every chain 1 space, like so. So here the single V-stitch round is done and you see the result. It makes the half circle very neat and even round, and it keeps it also flat and straight. Now on to the next row. So what I'm gonna do is again 2 V-stitches in one chain 1 space, 1 2 3 4, okay. So the first V-stitch, the second V-stitch in the same space, And now in the round before the last one, we did one V-stitch in the next space. In this round we're gonna make one V-stitch in the next two spaces. So we're increasing the single V-stitch by one in every round. So after this round, the one after the next will be one V-stitch in the next three chain one spaces, and so on. So now what we'll do, one V-stitch, and another single V-stitch, and now two V-stitches. In one space. Again, one V-stitch in the next two spaces, and two V-stitches in the next space. So two V-stitches, one V-stitch in the next two, two V-stitches, one V-stitch in the next two, and we repeat till the end of the round. So here I'm at the end of the round. I'm left with three chain one spaces, so I'm gonna make two V-stitches in this space, and one V-stitches in the next two spaces. Like this. And again, the next round will be a round of single V-stitches in every chain one space, and the round after will be two V-stitches in one space and single V-stitches in the next three spaces, and so on until you get the width required of your given project or whatever you're doing with this pattern. You'll find the written pattern, as I said, linked in the description box, which is detailed, and you can follow along with the video. I hope the tutorial was clear enough for you to start your own project. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.